In this video, I will show you how to leverage the power of artificial intelligence to build clean wireframes in Figma using Claude. Setting this up is surprisingly straightforward and it will save you a massive amount of time during the ideation phase of your design process. To get started, open up a new chat in Claude and look closely at the chat bar. You should see a small plus icon which opens your integration settings. Go ahead and click that icon, then look for the Figma switch. Make sure you toggle this switch to the on position so the two platforms can communicate directly. However, the connection will not be complete until you also prepare your design environment. You need to have the Figma Desktop Bridge plugin running in your active Figma file to accept any incoming layers that Claude generates. Once that is active and ready, you can move on to the actual prompting phase. When you type your layout requirements into Claude, it is best to keep things simple and low fidelity so the artificial intelligence focuses on the structural hierarchy rather than specific aesthetics. For example, you can tell it to generate a low-fidelity wireframe layout for a mobile e-commerce product page directly on your active Figma canvas. Be specific about the elements you need for the layout to be functional. Ask for grayscale placeholders, a clean top navigation bar, a large image box, and some placeholder text for the product description. Do not forget to request a prominent Add to Cart button component to round out the user interface. After you hit Enter, watch as the layers populate in your file automatically. This workflow allows you to iterate faster than ever by letting the AI handle the initial layout while you focus on the creative strategy behind the user experience.